Why are some people outgoing and sociable, while others prefer solitude and quiet reflection? These intriguing questions lie at the heart of personality psychology, a field that seeks to understand the complexities of human nature. Personality psychology explores the enduring patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that define us as individuals. From the pioneering work of Sigmund Freud to the contemporary insights of modern researchers, personality psychology continues to captivate our imagination and deepen our understanding of ourselves and those around us. Defining personality is no simple task. It is a multifaceted construct that encompasses a wide range of characteristics, tendencies, and predispositions. These patterns emerge from a complex interplay of genetic predispositions, environmental influences, and personal experiences. Like threads interwoven to create a rich tapestry, these factors combine to shape the distinctive fabric of our personalities. Traits are enduring characteristics that describe how people tend to think, feel, and behave across different situations and over time. For example, someone who is consistently outgoing, energetic, and assertive might be described as having an extroverted personality trait. Conversely, someone who is typically reserved, thoughtful, and prefers solitary activities may be characterized by the trait of introversion. By identifying and measuring these traits, researchers and practitioners can gain valuable insights into an individual's strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. Personality is not merely an abstract concept confined to textbooks and academic journals. It is a powerful force that permeates every aspect of our lives, influencing our thoughts, emotions, actions, and interactions with the world around us. One of the most significant ways personality influences our lives is through its impact on our relationships. Our personality traits play a crucial role in determining the kinds of people we are drawn to, the dynamics of our interactions, and the overall quality of our relationships. For example, individuals with agreeable personalities tend to be kind, compassionate, and cooperative, making them desirable partners and friends. Beyond our interpersonal relationships, personality also exerts a powerful influence on our career choices and job satisfaction. Certain professions often attract individuals with specific personality profiles, such as those in the helping professions who possess high levels of empathy and compassion. Among the various theoretical perspectives within personality psychology, trait theory stands out as one of the most influential and enduring. At its core, trait theory seeks to identify, describe, and measure the fundamental building blocks of personality, the stable and enduring characteristics that differentiate individuals from one another. One of the most widely recognized models within trait theory is the five-factor model, also known as the Big Five. This model proposes that personality can be understood in terms of five broad dimensions: openness to experience, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. The five-factor model has gained widespread acceptance in the field of personality psychology due to its robust empirical support and cross-cultural validity. Moreover, the Big Five traits have been shown to predict a wide range of important life outcomes, including job performance, relationship satisfaction, and overall well-being. While trait theory focuses on identifying stable personality characteristics, psychodynamic theory delves into the unconscious mind to uncover hidden forces shaping our thoughts and behaviors. Pioneered by Sigmund Freud, it posits that our personalities are shaped by unconscious drives and early experiences. Freud introduced concepts like the ID, ego, and superego, components that govern our behavior. In contrast to the deterministic perspectives of psychodynamic theory, humanistic psychology emerged as a breath of fresh air, emphasizing the inherent goodness of human nature and our innate drive for growth and self-actualization. Humanistic theorists such as Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers shifted the focus from unconscious conflicts and pathology to the study of subjective experience, personal growth, and the fulfillment of human potential. Central to humanistic theory is the concept of self-actualization, the process of becoming our best selves and living up to our fullest potential. Maslow, renowned for his hierarchy of needs, proposed that self-actualization sits atop this hierarchy, representing the pinnacle of human motivation. According to Maslow, individuals are driven by a hierarchy of needs, ranging from basic physiological needs to higher-order needs like love, belonging, and self-esteem. While some theories emphasize the role of internal factors, such as traits or unconscious drives, in shaping personality, social cognitive theory highlights the dynamic interplay between individuals and their environments. This perspective, championed by psychologists like Bandura, posits that our personalities are shaped by a complex interplay of cognitive, behavioral, and environmental factors. One of the key tenets of social cognitive theory is reciprocal determinism, the idea that our thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and environments all influence one another in a continuous feedback loop. For example, a child with a shy temperament might be hesitant to engage in social situations, leading to fewer opportunities to develop social skills. However, if the child is encouraged and supported by their parents or teachers to engage in social activities, they might gradually overcome their shyness and develop stronger social skills. Personality psychology offers a captivating lens to explore human nature. It illuminates the forces shaping our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Whether understanding our quirks or others, it provides a roadmap for navigating individuality. Delving into its theories, we embark on self-discovery, understanding our strengths and weaknesses,